Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can close your tabs in the Firefox app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Firefox app. On the bottom, next to the search bar, you can see this square with the number 6 in it. That means I have 6 tabs open. Tap on it. It will open to your tabs. If you tap on your tab top right corner on the X, it will close them. The top right corner on the X, and I closed all of it. You can see on the bottom in the square it's 0. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.